Morning dear children, today I am going to teach you lesson number 11, that is perimeter and area. Now first of all I will explain you what is meant by perimeter. Okay, so suppose this is a figure. Now what is the mean by perimeter? Perimeter means the length, the total length along the boundary of this closed figure. Okay, suppose this is a closed figure A, B, C, D. Let us consider that this is a square. Okay, the length of side AB is x. As it is a square, then length of each side will be x each. Then, as I told you that perimeter means total length along the boundary of any closed figure. Therefore, what will be the total length? So, total length, that is total length will be x plus x plus x plus x. That means 4 times x, that is 4 into x. And x is nothing but this length of each side, so side. Therefore, the perimeter of a square will be 4 times side, that is 4 into side. This is the formula for the perimeter of a square. Now, perimeter of a rectangle. Let us consider a rectangle P, Q, R and S. So this is the length. This will also be the length because opposite side is same in case of rectangle. And this is the breadth. This is also the breadth. And each angle of a rectangle is 90 degrees. So according to the definition of the perimeter, as it is the total length along the boundary or the total outline. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle will be sum of all the 4 sides. So L plus this B, again L, and then this B. Now like terms, L and L same, and then B and B like terms. So L plus, you have to rearrange according to like terms. So L plus L, then B plus B, and it will be simplified as L plus L 2L and B plus B B. Now you can see that 2 is common. So if I take 2 outside, then inside the terms will be L plus B. So the perimeter of a rectangle will be P is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now I am going to teach you area. Let us consider this figure P, Q, R and S. P, Q, R, S. So what is meant by area? Area is nothing but the space, the 2D space which is enclosed within the perimeter. That means the space or the region which is surrounded by the perimeter. This is called the area. Okay. So there is the formula for area of a rectangle. Area is equal to L into B. This is the formula for the area of a rectangle. Now the area of a square. Let us consider this is a square. Suppose A, B, C, D is a square. Okay. And length of each side will be x. So this area can be calculated by using the formula side into side. Now side into side is nothing but length into breadth. As it is a square, so length of each side is same. So this is side into side means x into s, that will be x square. So it is a side square. So area of a square will be side square.